Welcome back, students. In this lecture we are going to start chapter number 4, list and table handling in HTML. In previous session we have completed chapter 3 with exercise. In that we have learned about the images. Okay, now we are going to learn about the list and tables in the HTML. That is the again most important topic in this chapter. So now let's see what is the list. Okay, so list means sometimes we want to create some list items, like in Microsoft Word you have used the bullets and numbering. So bullets it is called the unordered list, and numbering it is called the ordered list. So list means we want to list something, the items, like if you want to buy something then you make a list. So in that list you maybe give 1 to 10 or dots or arrow or stars. Okay, so this is called the list. In this session and next previous 2 or 3 sessions we will learn about the UL tag. UL defines for the unordered list. It stands for unordered list. You can see here UL stands for unordered list, means like bullets. Okay, OL stands for ordered list, means it is form of the alphabets, or maybe 1 to 10 or A to Z or small a to Z, or also we can use the Roman numbers also. In that, after that it is li stands for the list items. Okay, next it is dl for description list. Then dt stands for the description, it is for the description data also. And dd for description list. Again it describes the term. dd for describe the term, and dt for define the term. For example, if you want to type any definition, then we can use the dt. If you want to write some description regarding the particular topic, like 2-3 lines are there, 2-3 paragraphs are there, then we can use the dd for the describes the term. Okay, so this is all about that. Now first we are going to learn is the unordered list. Unordered list means you can see here, see items to be purchased, it is the one title. In that we are going to write the chocolates, notebooks, practice book, ball pen and markers. So these are, before this we have used the circle, you can see here dot. So this is called unordered list. Okay, so which are the unordered list which we can give in the HTML? So there are 4 unordered list is there. Number 1, disk, that is very default bullet. Okay, then circle, it will be used, it is, see this is also the circle, but it is filled, right? So it is called the disk. But if we talk about the circle, it will be only circle, it will not fill with any color. Square means this will be square will be there, means square. Okay, and then none means if we don't want to put any kind of bullets or the unordered list items, then we can use the none instead of that particular thing. So ultimately there are 3 only there: disk, circle and the square in the unordered list. Next will be the order list. In the order list we can assign such kind of orders like 1 to 10. Like if you want to use the 1, starting from 1, then you can use the type is equals to 1. That means it will automatically start from the 1, and it is the default numbering 1 is. If you want to put like capital A, then type is equal to capital A. Okay, then A or everything will be in a caps lock. Small, if you want to start from the small a, use this type is equal to small a. Similarly, if you want to use the Roman numbers in capital letters, then capital I will be there for the Roman numbers, and if it is on the small, then you can use the small I. Okay, similarly other lists are there, which is the description list are there. Description list is a list of terms which describe the each of the term, and dl used for the define the description list, and dt for tag for define the particular term. And third number is dd, that's for the describe the each term. Okay, so for example this is list is there but without any order or unordered list. So this is the example of other list or description list without any kind of bullets and numbering. Okay, so right now in this session we will only learn the unordered list only. Okay, so let's begin with the unordered list. We have to open these sites. Okay, so I have already opened that application. Okay, now how to begin with? So as you know, we will always start with the HTML tag. Okay, inside the HTML tag we will write the head tag, and inside the head tag title here we'll write the use of unordered list, and here slash title we will close also head tag and also the HTML. Okay, now in between this we'll we put it here the body tag and close the body tag also. Now press it. We'll type here chapter number 4, session number 1, unordered list.html, and okay, right? Okay, now we are going to start it to draw something like we are going to draw something like this. See, we have seen like this. Okay, items to be purchased will be the title. In that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 items will be there. Okay, so let's begin with it and how to start it. So before that we will keep here we'll type here unordered list like this. Okay, so we want to type something, so we'll type here in the heading tag. It is heading that, so it will be h1 unordered list. Unordered list and slash h1. Okay, now press Ctrl S and check it. Is it working? Yes, it is. Unordered list is there. Okay, now we will keep it side by side, okay, so that it will be easy to see it like this. Okay, yes. Now in this we will start our definition list. Inside that we will put the li. Okay, right now we are going to use the unordered list. Okay, so unordered list, for that we will use the ul. What to use ul, that is called the unordered list. Okay, now inside the ul, li is the li stands for the list. Now what to write the first we want the chocolate. Okay, so we'll type here chocolate. Now close li tag slash li. Okay, and also we have to close the ul, unordered list. Then now press Ctrl S and come here and F5. See, it is with this default, it is circle. Okay, now we want another item name. So what to do, press enter here and use the another li, means another list, and that will be the notebook. Okay, and close the li tag like this. Now press Ctrl S and come here in F5. You can see notebook it here. Now similarly we will use the li, and inside that we will type here practice book and close the li tag. Similarly press S and again li tag. In that we will use the ball pens and slash li, and last item we are going to type, that will be the markers and slash li. Okay, press Ctrl S and move here and press F5. Yes, it is. C. This is the unordered list, but it is how to use ul and slash ul, that is called unordered list. Inside that whatever items we want to type, it should be between the li and slash li. Okay, so it will be put everything inside that. Now sometimes we want it similarly but with a different option, like we want to change its type. Okay, so how we can change its type? So in that, here you can change ul type is equals to, you can type this type name. How many types are there? We have seen here in this first disk, it is default. Now we want to put as a circle, so we'll type here circle, circle, circle. Control S and come here and press F5. Yes, you can see it is circle is here. You can it is circle displaying here, right? Now instead of the circle we want a square, so square is square. Press Ctrl S and come here and F5. You can see. Okay, so this way we can change it, but if you want it, if you don't mention any type, then it will take default as a dot. Okay, press Ctrl S and F5. See, disk, it will be autumn. This is the use of the disk, and this, it is the default. Okay, so this is called the order list and unordered list. Now using this, if you want to anything font size and font and bold it something, right, so we can use it. Like if you want to use font color as a blue, so after body tag, inside the body tag we will keep the font color is equals to, we want a blue, then we'll keep here blue, and after closing that ul tag, we'll close the font tag also, slash font. Okay, control S it and press here F5. You can see everything in a blue. Okay, got it. Now if you want to change, you have to give the separate color to here, so you can use it. Only these lines should be in a blue color. Then control C here. After it we'll paste it again, but after instead of the blue we'll keep it red, and these font tags should be closed here, because before we use previous one, each and everything should be closed before you starting the new one. Okay, here see, done. So these font color, blue color, it will be applicable to the order list and order list, because we have closed in between these only, and this font tag will be applicable to this one only, like this. Got it? So this way we can use the font tag also. Now if you want to assign a bold to this or entire thing, so what to do? Use the B tag here, press enter, and use B tag here, press Ctrl S, and before the U, after the UL, you have to close the B tag. B stands for the bold. Ctrl B and F5 here. You can see it is changed here. So this way we can use order and unordered list. Okay, so students, I hope you understood. Now if you want to use separate these all the things, okay, so what to do? We'll keep everything in separate. Then we'll copy this entire thing, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. See, now here we'll change it. Instead of the red, I will change it to purple, and here I will define the UL type is equals to circle only. Okay, then press Ctrl S and check it here, F5. Yes, it is there. Right, now similarly we want to do another for that. Control C it and press here Control V, and in this case we'll change the color name. Instead of the purple, we'll check it a black, which is default color in this, and instead of the circle we'll use the square. Control S it and press here F5. See, order list with the, here we can type if you want to put the heading here, order list, here we can type here default, 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 that is disk. Okay, now same will copy for each. Okay, here we'll put it here. Yes, it should be remain blue only, but it in this it is not default, it is list will be this circle. Okay, and similarly for it will be display here the order list, and which it is in a square. Control S it, press F5 here. See, okay, resize it like this, and you can see on order list default it is disk in this manner, on order list circle, so it is in a based on the circle, and unordered list in a square, so this is called the square. So this is called the use of all that things. Okay, unordered list. So I hope you students you understood this, what is called order list and unordered list and how to use it. But important topic in this is whenever you use order list and unordered list, make sure that you have to use UL. Okay, you have to use what is UL, means unordered list. Inside that you can type your list, means li, and in between li and slash li you can put your text. Okay, you have to close everything. After each UL you have to close it. Here see we have completed it. And sometimes if you want to change the unordered list type like a circle or a square, you have to mention inside the UL type is equal to circle, so it will be affected all that listing based on the circle. Similarly we have used here square, so it will be affected based on the square only. So I hope you understand students these things. Okay, in the next session we will learn what is the order list. Okay, so till then, thank you and bye, and I hope you understood this topic very well, and do it this practice at home, and if you have done this, then send me that screenshot whatever you have done in unordered list. Okay, till then, thank you and bye, and okay, take care of yourself.